Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk about something very special. I'm calling it the ultimate guide to space scenes in Blender. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new video. I have always been fascinated by creating the space scene in Blender. I often look at real Hubble images for reference, and sometimes I try to create that same beauty in Blender myself. My space projects are always a work in progress. With every trial and error, I might stumble upon something interesting. In the past, I had many failures when it came to building the space scenes in Blender, and sometimes I genuinely get discouraged. But instead of giving up, I prefer to find more people to learn from and draw inspiration from their work. One of my biggest sources of inspiration was the work of Gleb Alexandrov and A.D. Burrows from about 9 years ago. Back then, they released a Blender course called Space Bibet Ceremony. The work they did absolutely amazed me. It's been 9 years since then, but their work is still incredible to this day. I never purchased or watched the course itself, but I watched the promotional trailer over and over again. Each time I studied the space scene they have created very carefully, trying to understand what they had gone to make their sim books so outstanding and how I could take inspiration from those ideas and apply them to my own work. So over the past few months, I started creating my own space scenes in Blender. I wanted to build space scenes that look good and believable, and I achieved some really great results. Each time I pushed myself harder than before until I finally got a beautiful render. I decided to create a YouTube tutorial for as many of these space scenes as possible. So I'm currently working on the tutorial, and in the future we will have at least 7 different tutorials for creating the space scenes. All of this tutorial along with free project file will be available on YouTube. The first tutorial will be about creating a procedural useful nebula background. To build the nebula, we will be using texture, background, and noise to create the background. Once we are done, we will also learn how to convert the background into an HDRI. Next, we will move on to the second tutorial. In this one, we will learn how to procedurally create the surface of the sun and then animate it. After that, we will add solar flares and luminosity, and with some processing, we will end up with a beautiful cinematic render in Eevee. After the heat of the sun, we will travel into the cold depths of space and learn how to create an asteroid scale. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use geometry nodes to draw asteroids, create a volumetric space environment, scatter the asteroid toward it, and finally produce a stunning render. The fourth tutorial will be about creating a lava planet. In this tutorial, you will learn how to texture planets in Blender without using map, create atmospheres for any type of planet, add a lava effect to the planet's surface, and finally produce a cinematic render in Cycle. We'll also be using some advanced compositing techniques. And how about a gas giant? After the lava planet, we will create a procedural gas giant. We'll procedurally build, animate the planet's surface, and also create terrain procedural. In the sixth tutorial, you will learn how to create a moon similar to Enceladus. We will generate massive, beautiful ice geysers using a very simple and fast technique. And the final tutorial will be about creating a neutron star. You will be building a specific type of neutron star called the magneta. Cosmic objects that possess the strongest known magnetic fields in the universe. I really hope you are excited about this series. I should also mention that every single tutorial will come with a free project file, so you can explore this video yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the first tutorial.